Welcome back to 60 Seconds with Basuki, and today we have a review for you. It's called the Air Dragon Air Gun. So here we have is the Air Dragon gun. It comes in a really nice case, and inside it comes with the actual Air Dragon gun itself. So I'm gonna cut to the clip and show you what it can do. Plug into the cigarette lighter. Turn the car on. Choose desired PSI. Place the tube on the tire valve. Press the trigger and the gun will cut off at the desired PSI. This gun comes with various tire adapters and is very compact and very easy to use. So, Basuki, is it worth it?
Yeah, it's worth it, but it doesn't pump as fast as it says it does, but you should consider picking one up for yourself.
So you heard it here from Basuki, the greatest 60-second tool master of all time. He said it's worth it, you should pick it up for yourself. It just doesn't pump as fast as it says it does. And stay tuned for next week's episode, 60 Seconds with Basuki. Ow. I should smack you.